Project Mixologist. I'm Jason Catalano, and on this channel we like to make food and beverage with spirit flavorings. For this video, we're going to be going over the Nutty Pumpkin Latte Smoothie. Alright everyone, so good overview for this particular smoothie is that it reminds me a lot of fall, reminds me a lot of, kind of think about like Maine, right? The fall leaves coming, you got pumpkin, you got that kind of pumpkin spice coming through. It's got nice good nut texture to it, it's got a lot of protein, and for me, I really think of this one as a really good kind of higher calorie, higher protein, great fall smoothie. Reminds me a lot of Maine. And so at 522 calories and 44 grams of protein, this is a great breakfast smoothie to get a little bit extra protein and a little bit extra pumpkin in your life. All right, let's get started. So 6 ounces of almond milk. This is going to provide our liquid base, as well as a little bit of vanilla flavor and a little bit better texture than water. We're going to add in a tablespoon of a Splenda brown sugar. So you can find this in a grocery store. It's going to provide that kind of nice molasses sugar for the pumpkin. Otherwise, the pumpkin's not really sweet by itself. Next, 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts. So the cashew nuts provide obviously a lot of good healthy fats, good nut texture, and will provide a little bit of flavor, but not too much. Next, half a banana. So banana gives, just once again, a little bit extra natural sweetness. And I like bananas just because a little bit of potassium and just a little bit of overall good nutrition. Next, we're gonna have our pumpkin pie spice. This is gonna be 1 teaspoonful of it. Throw that in. So that's gonna provide most of the spice, cinnamon, nutmeg, all of that we associate with fall. Half a cup butternut squash. Once again, you think about fall time, butternut squash. And butternut squash particularly gives you pretty good for blood pressure, which also, going into our next one, pumpkin puree itself, good for blood pressure. 3/4 of a cup of a pumpkin puree. Good thing about pumpkin is it's actually not that high in calories, as much as you would think. And so, good vegetable, and reminds me a lot of fall. Next, half cup of Greek yogurt, good for the gut health, as well as good for protein. It's gonna make the smoothie a little bit creamier, and it's gonna give a nice little vanilla tang taste to it. Okay, next, 1 scoop of protein powder. Main source of protein, I like BPI. You can use whatever kind of the protein powder you want. I like a good vanilla. If you want, you can do flavored chocolate, it still tastes great. And last, what we're gonna be doing is, this is Laurent Oil's Amaretto. So Amaretto is just a sweet almond. And this is gonna go with the cashew, kind of the nutty type of taste. So we're gonna do 1 milliliter of Amaretto. Okay. And with that, let's go ahead and let's blend. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour it after about 30-45 seconds of blending. A little bit thinner, so if you want to add a little xanthan gum or a little bit of ice, that would be fine. But as you can see, beautiful kind of orange that's a little bit lighter, a little bit yellowish orange. Yeah, right off jump, you can smell the amaretto, the spices. So, first taste. Perfect. The amaretto actually comes first, so the sweet almond goes right into this like deep, rich pumpkin, and then a little bit of spice at the end. Yeah, this definitely reminds me of just fall season, everything right about it. You don't even taste like the butternut squash. Yeah, once again, the sweet amaretto hits you first, goes right into that nice, rich pumpkin with the brown sugar in there, spice kind of at the end to kind of pick it all back up. Delicious, not too sweet, Not too anything, right there, kind of nice balanced, nutty, sweet nutty, plus pumpkin. Definitely get the pumpkin and a little bit of spice. So with that, if you want to get a nice fall classic type of smoothie, go ahead and try the Nutty Pumpkin Latte. Thank you for going all the way to the end of the video, and if you like this recipe and you want to see other ones like this, go ahead and comment down below what your favorite thing about this, what ingredients you'd switch out, what other type of smoothies you'd like to see, and let me know if there's anywhere that you like that reminds you of the Nutty Pumpkin Latte. So with that, giddy up.